Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm back again with another video. So today in this video, I'm going to showcase one of my sales dashboard which I created in Google Looker Studio. So in this sales dashboard, I have created various cards which are related to sales. Uh, we can see here, this is a sales report and three filters I have used. The first one is the name of the representative who is doing sales, and then this one is the position, and then this one is the date. So this is a date filter here, and then these all are the cards which are representing different data. So this card is showing us the cash collected data for the period between 31st of March and 29th of April 2025. Then this one is our revenue data. And then this card is showing scheduled appointments. So here I use 79, and then the last 7 days data also I'm reflecting here. And then this one is our previous month data. Then again, this card is showing appointment show data, which is similar to scheduled appointments, and then appointment no show. This card is showing email sent, then DM sent, and SMS sent. So these all are the cards which are currently showing us the data which we are taking the leads from the customers. Then this is our leadership board where I'm representing top members who are doing maximum sales, or maybe they have collected cash. So for the top three members, I'm representing them with the award-winning criteria. So these all are the badges that I'm providing here. And then this is a table. So maximum is 12 members I'm reflecting here. Then this table is showing the tabular data, which I'm keeping all the names, then calls, shoot percentage, then offers, offer percentage, units, close percentage, and the rest of the data, which is currently belonging to the sales data. Then this one is our line graph for new cash and the revenue goal. So this one is our revenue line for each and every month. Sorry, date-wise data. So first is April 4, then I have taken 4 days gap between each interval. Then this is our sales funnel, total book calls, appointment showed, offers made, new units, cash collected. So currently, because I don't have any kind of data in these columns, so it's not showing us the data. But once I fill on the data, it will also show us. Then this one is our leadership board for different criteria. For example, close percentage. Then this one is our offers made. And then this one is our for the leadership sales representative revenue portion. Then this one is our revenue timeline. And because I created this one for our client, so these all are the details pertaining to our client. Then another page which I'm showing is market base calculator. So it's a marketing page. It's similar to what I've created as per sales. So in marketing, marketing spend, then leads, booked appointments. Then this is a line graph of booked appointments and impressions. Then similarly reach, clicks. And then this is a table which is representing all the columns in one go. And again, this one is showing line graph between SCPC and the number of clicks. And this one is a line graph which is showing ad spend and revenue. Then this one is showing reach and clicks. So all this are presented and I combined in one dashboard. So if you need similar kind of dashboard for your business, so you can just reach me out over my WhatsApp or my email address, which I will be providing you in the description part of this video. So thank you for watching this video, and I will be talking soon to you for dashboard customizations and requests. So thank you, and have a great day. Take care. Bye.